Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. The problem is find the sixth trigonometric ratio of the angle theta using the given diagram. We need to find the six trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. We know that this triangle, by analyzing this triangle, the theta is available here. The name is ABC. At the corner B, the theta is available. This is right angle. Right. So we know that the opposite to that of theta is called the opposite side. This AC is the opposite side, and adjacent to that theta is the adjacent side, AB. AB is the adjacent side. Then BC is the hypotenuse. Opposite to that triangle is called a hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle. So this AC is the opposite side, opposite to that of theta. AB is the adjacent side, adjacent to the angle theta. BC is the hypotenuse. In this, while analyzing, this hypotenuse value is given 25. Opposite side also given, AC is 7. But this adjacent side, AB value is not given. We need to find the AB value by using the Pythagoras theorem, because this is the right angle triangle. After calculating this adjacent side, we can calculate the six trigonometric ratios. So first we will find the adjacent side value AB, right? So by using this Pythagoras theorem, what is that? AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. Opposite side plus square plus adjacent side square equal to hypotenuse side square. This is a normal Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. But what we need is AB square. So bring the AC square that side. So that AB square equal to BC square minus AC square. So AB, take the square root on both the sides. So AB equal to square root of BC square minus AC square. The BC value is given. BC is nothing but 25. So 25 square minus AC. AC value also given 7. So 7 square. 25 square is 625 minus 7 square is 49. That is equal to square root of 576. Square root of 576 is nothing but 24. Right? So we calculated the value adjacent side AB equal to 24 units. Right? Now refer this diagram. So this is the term ABC. This is the angle theta. Opposite to that angle is called opposite side of the angle theta, AC. That value is already given 7. This is the adjacent side of the angle theta, that we calculated now 24. AB equal to 24. Then this BC is the hypotenuse. That value also already given 25. Now we have all three values. Opposite side of angle theta, adjacent side of angle theta and hypotenuse. Right? AC is the opposite side. AB is the adjacent side. BC is the hypotenuse. So by using that, we can able to calculate the six trigonometric ratios. Now we'll see the six trigonometric ratios one by one. Right? So this is the opposite side is AC. That value is 7. Adjacent side is AB. That value is 24. What we calculated from Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is BC. That value is 25. Right. So by using these three, we can find the trigonometric ratio one by one. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AC. Hypotenuse is BC. 7 divided by 25. No need to simplify further. That is our option. If you want, you can simplify further. Otherwise, we can leave the ratio as it is. Then cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is BC. That AB is 24, BC is 25. So 24 by 25. Cos theta equal to 24 by 25. Tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AC. Adjacent side is AB. So this is opposite side AC. Adjacent side AB. So 7 divided by 24. The tan theta equal to, the ratio is 7 divided by 24. So these are all the basic ratios. Now we'll go to the reciprocal ratios. Cosecant theta. The cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. See the formula here, opposite side by hypotenuse. So cosecant theta reciprocal, so hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So that is BC divided by AC, 25 divided by 7. Here 7 by 25, here 25 by 7, because sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal. Then we'll go to the remaining secant theta. The secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, here hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. BC by AB, 25 by 24. Here 24 by 25, here 25 by 24. That secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Then the last one is cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Here cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. That is AB divided by AC, 24 divided by 7. See here 7 by 24, here 24 divided by 7. Now we calculated all the 6 trigonometric ratio, basic ratio, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, and reciprocal ratios, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. So in this problem, the triangle, right angle triangle is given. In that adjacent side value is not given. That is calculated from the Pythagoras theorem. After calculating that, we come to know all the values, opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. From that we calculated 3 basic trigonometric ratio, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and another 3 reciprocal ratios, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, by using the formula. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.